You gonna help us with today's video, Louie?
Perfect.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel again, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, make sure you go down and click that subscribe button. And if you're returning, of course, welcome you back. Now, usually on this channel, we're working on this BMW M4, but today we're gonna be switching it up a little bit. My brother has a manual E46 right back there, and he basically just wanted me to go ahead and swap out his trunk emblem. Now, it's super simple. He's just super busy and just asked me if I wanted to do it. I was like, sure, I might as well film a video for it as well. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna just do a quick emblem swap on this E46. So this is actually my brother's first car. It is pushing, I think he's had it for a while, so it's pushing around 200,000 plus miles on it. Him and my dad have worked on a lot of it and replaced a ton of stuff. So mechanically, the car is sound, but cosmetically, you know, there's a lot of imperfections on the car, but this is the one we're going to be tackling today for him. So you can see this emblem is in pretty rough shape, and then this is the one that we're going to be replacing it with. So it's going to be a night and day difference. Now for this install, you're only going to need three things. First, you're going to need a pry tool, which I will recommend a pry tool set in the description. Second, you're going to need a microfiber cloth to protect your paint. And then thirdly, you're just going to need your replacement emblem. So I'm going to go ahead and get the camera set up and we'll get started. Okay, so to show you guys how we're going to be prying this up, if you look to the back of the emblem, you're going to notice these two prongs. That's the only thing holding this emblem on. There's some rubber grommets in a hole, and these just press into there. So when we go to pry this up, we're going to be prying it up on the left and right side. And don't be surprised if when you try to pry this up, if those little knobs right here break. Depending on how old your emblem is or how brittle it is, it will determine if it's going to break when you take it off, but it's okay because, of course, all the new ones come with new pegs. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is take your microfiber cloth and pick one of the sides. We're going to go ahead and put it underneath here. Now, I was playing with it, and it looks like this post may be already gone, so we may only have to pry up one side. Yep, it looks like that's the case. So like I mentioned, a lot of times these things are broken. I've seen some people that put aftermarket ones on here or ones they find in a junkyard to replace it, but the tabs are broken. So yeah, that's the case, but you can see there's those two rubber grommets right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up this surface real quick and then we'll just pop on our new one. All right, good and clean. So one thing I wanted to point out is when you do replace these, make sure that it does still have the rubber grommets. And if they do come off on the old posts, make sure that you put them back in here. These rubber grommets are what actually holds in the emblem. So next, we're gonna take our new emblem, and it's as simple as just lining it up, pushing it in, voila, good to go. And it's about as easy as that. It takes about 30 seconds or so. As far as a trim tool set, if you need one, I'll have one linked down below. As far as emblems go, I wouldn't necessarily recommend an Amazon link for that. That is something I would suggest going OEM. You'll be grateful when it doesn't fade after 6 months or simply fly off while you're driving. So definitely recommend going OEM on the emblem. But that does sum up today's video. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you go down and click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys don't know how much that helps support the channel itself. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.